Hello students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today we are going to study second part of chapter 1 differentiation from paper 2. In this part we are going to see some more questions of exercise 1.1. Here 7 questions are given. See the solution of these questions in the video ahead. The question is y is equals to tan of cos of sin x. Okay, here we have to differentiate this. So writing it is composite function. In first step we write differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equals to d by dx of tan cos of sin x. Okay, now we'll differentiate one by one. First of all we have to differentiate tan, then cos, then sin. Okay, so derivative of tan is sec square. So tan sec square cos sin x. Okay, so this is derivative of tan, and this is considered it as x, the whole angle, into d by dx of cos of sin x. Okay, now we differentiate cos. So sec square cos of sin x into, and derivative of cos is minus sin x, so minus sin x into d by dx of this one. Okay, so we have this minus will come here, minus sec square cos of sin x into sin of sin x into d by dx of sin x is cos x. So at last this is the result. Okay, next sum is y is equals to cot cube of log of x cube. Okay, just as we have done earlier, we have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so we have dy by dx is equals to d by dx of cot cube of log x cube. Okay, just as we do the differentiation of x raised to n, in the same way we have to differentiate this cot cube. This is taken as x, this is n. So we have 3 cot square log of x cube into d by dx of cot of log x cube. Okay, now 3 cot square log of x cube into, now derivative of cot is cosec, so we have minus cosec square log of x cube into again derivative of this log of x cube. Okay, so this minus sign will come here, we get minus 3 cot square log of x cube into cosec square log of x cube into, now derivative of log is 1 by x, so log of x cube is 1 by x cube into again d by dx of x cube. Okay, so now we will write here minus 3 cot square log of x cube into cosec square log of x cube into 1 by x cube into derivative of x cube. It is 3x square. The x square will cancel and we get 1x here only. So minus 3 into 3 will become minus 9 cot square log of x cube into cosec square log of x cube, and this x will be written here. Okay, as one x is remaining here, no? So we write this x here. So this is the answer. Okay, see next question. Here y is equals to given e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. This is in the form of u upon v. So by quotient rule, we have to differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx is equals to, first of all we write v square, e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x whole square. Now we write here v into d by dx of numerator minus then e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x into d by dx of e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. Okay, now this will be copied here into, now derivative of this term. Okay, derivative of e raised to 2x is same e raised to 2x into derivative of 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2. Okay, now minus sign, then derivative of e raised to minus 2x is same into derivative of this minus 2x is minus 2. Understood, no? Again here we will copy this term and do the derivative of this. So we write e raised to 2x into 2 plus e raised to minus 2x into minus 2. Okay, upon v square, e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x whole square. Okay, now we will simplify this. We write here e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. Here 2 is taken common, we write here 2. E raised to 2x, this minus minus become plus, plus e raised to minus 2x. Okay, then minus, from here also we can take 2 as common, so we are writing here e raised to, this term is copied into here e raised to 2x plus minus become minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x whole square. Okay, on simplifying further we get 2 e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x whole square minus 2 e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x whole square upon e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x whole square. Okay, now this 2 can be taken common and also convert this e raised to minus 2x as 1 by e raised to 2x whole square minus e raised to 2x minus 1 by e raised to 2x, okay, upon e raised to 2x plus 1 by e raised to 2x whole square. Okay, now here take the cross multiplication, we get e raised to 4x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x whole square minus e raised to 4x minus 1 by e raised to 2x whole square upon e raised to 2x plus 1 by e raised to 2x by whole square. Okay, so after this step, do the square on both sides. 2 e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square minus e raised to 4x minus 1 whole square. This is same, so it can be taken LCM. E raised to 2x whole square upon e raised to 4x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x. We are in the square on numerator and denominator both. Okay. After this step, we will take this this will become e raised to 4x and we take it out. E raised to 2 upon e raised to 4x, e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square minus e raised to 4x minus 1 whole square upon e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square by e raised to 4x. This will be cancel out. Okay, after crossing it we get 2. Now we open the square. E raised a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So squaring 4x we get 8x. E raised to 8x plus 2 e raised to 4x plus 1 minus, here also a minus b whole square, we get e raised to 8x minus 2 e raised to 4x plus 1. Okay, upon e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. Now 2, opening this bracket, e raised to 8x plus 2 e raised to 4x plus 1 minus e raised to 8x plus 2 e raised to 4x minus 1 upon e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. Now this will be cancelled out. 1 and minus 1 will cancel out and we get 2 into 2 e raised to, so 2 plus 2 become 4 upon e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. Then finally, therefore dy by dx equals to 8 e raised to 4x upon e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. Clear? Now next sum. Here function is given y is equals to 1 plus 4x raised to 5 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8. Here it is given as u and v. This is u and v type. Okay. So differentiating, with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equals to u into v. What is formula? U into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So u, copy the u, into d by dx of v. So what is v? 3 plus x minus x, 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8. This is v. Now my plus v into d by dx of 1 plus 4x raised to 5. Okay. Now copy this. Derivative of this much This is like x raised to n. So we have 8 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to 7, but into d by dx of 3 plus x minus x square. Okay, again plus copy this sum, this term, this 3 plus x minus x square into, again this is like x raised to n, so we can differentiate it like 1 plus 4x raised to 4 into d by dx of 1 plus 4x. This is the whole one line. Now 1 plus 4x raised to 5 into 8 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to 7 into. Now derivative differentiation of 3 is 0, differentiation of x is 1 minus, and differentiation of this x square is 2x. Okay, then plus 3 plus x minus x square into 5, 1 plus 4x raised to 4 into, derivative of 1 plus 4x is 4 only, since derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of x is 1, so we get only 4. Now taking the coefficients before earlier, so we write 8, 1 plus 4x raised to 5, 3 plus x minus x square raised to 7 into 1 minus 2x plus 3 plus x minus x square, 5 taken here, 1 plus 4x raised to 4, again here it is into 4 also. So these terms are common. Okay, here it is power 8. Okay, here is power 8. So we'll take minimum power common. So minimum power of 1 plus 4x is, also we can take 4 as common. Taking 4 common, 1 plus 4x raised to 4 common, and 3 plus x minus x square raised to 7 is common. Okay, then what will we get in bracket? We have 1 power of 1 plus 4x from here, and 2 into 1 plus 4x, this is taken whole common, into 1 minus 2x, plus from here we have 5 left, and this 1 power of 3 plus x minus x square is left, and 4, and this one is taken common, so this is left only. So we have to write here 4 into 1 plus 4x raised to 4, 3 plus x minus x square raised to 7. Now we can multiply this, 2 into 1, 2 into 1, so we get 2. 2 into 4, 8x into 1, we get 8x. Okay, now 2 into 1, 2 into minus 2x, minus 4x, 2 into 4, 8x into minus 2x, become minus 8 into 16, x square. Okay, plus this is 15 plus 5x minus 5x square. So we write here 1 plus 4x raised to 4, 3 plus x minus x square, adding the terms 15 plus 2 we get 17, 8x minus 4x 4, 4x plus 5x, we get 9x, minus 16 and minus 5, we get 21 x square. Okay, so this okay, on adding this we get this term 2 plus 15, 17, 8x minus 4x, we get 4x plus 5x, 9x, minus 16 minus 5, we get minus 21x square. So this is. Now next question is y is equals to 1 plus sine x degree upon 1 minus sine x degree. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equals to, this is u upon v, so we have to apply quotient rule. Quotient rule is upon v square, so 1 minus sine x degree whole square. Okay, and here 1 minus sine x degree into d by dx of 1 plus sine x degree minus 1 plus sine x degree into d by dx of 1 minus sine x degree. Okay, now 1 minus sine x degree into d by dx of 1 is 0 and sine x is cos x degree into d by dx of degree, x degree is pi by 180. Since x degree is written as pi x by 180, so derivative of this term is pi by 180. Okay, in the same way we do here also. Here derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of minus sin x minus cos x degree into d by dx of pi x by 180 upon 1 minus sin x degree whole square. Now we have multiply this, we get cos x degree minus sin x degree cos x degree into pi by 180. Derivative of pi x upon 180 is pi by 180. Then minus, in this minus become plus, we have cos x degree plus sin x degree cos x degree into again here pi by 180 upon 1 minus sin x degree whole square. Okay, now this term will be cancelled out and we get 2 cos x degree upon 1 minus sin x whole square. Okay, so we have on differentiating pi x by 180 we get pi by 180. So cos x degree pi 180 is multiplied by 1. We get cos x pi by 180 minus sin x cos x pi by 180. In the same way here, this minus become plus cos x and pi by 180 and sin x cos x pi by 180. This whole term will be cancelled out. We get 2 cos x pi by 180. Okay. So 2 pi cos x upon 180 into 1 minus sin x degree whole square. This will be simplified. We get pi cos x degree upon 90 1 minus sin x degree whole square. Okay, so this is the final answer. Now next sum is y is equals to log of under root of 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Okay, we have to differentiate this function. First write differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to, now derivative of log is 1 by x now, so this is x, so 1 by x, we get 1 by x means 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x, okay, into d by dx of this root function 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x, okay. Now if you do the reciprocal of this, it will become 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x into, now derivative of any root function is 1 upon 2 root x, so 1 upon 2 root x is 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x, again into d by dx of 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x, okay. Now again this will be done reciprocal, we get 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x into 1 by 2 root of 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x. Now derivative of this, see, this will be written 1 plus sin x whole square, we are applying u upon v formula, okay. So 1 plus sin x into derivative of 1 minus sin x, we are doing directly derivative of 1 minus sin x is minus cos x, okay, and here 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x into derivative of 1 plus sin x is cos x, okay. These are same, so we get 1 by 2 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x into, here we get minus cos x minus sin x cos x, this minus cos x minus become plus sin x cos x upon 1 plus sin x whole square, okay. From here this will be cancelled out and we have 1 by 2, here this 1 plus sin x will be cancelled from the power and we get minus 2 cos x upon 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x, okay. This 2 will be also cancelled out, we get minus cos x upon 1 minus sin square x. Now by using the trigonometric formula we can write it as minus cos x upon cos square x, so this cos x will be cancelled from the power and we have minus 1 by cos x, therefore again we can write it as 1 upon cos x is sec, so we can write minus sec x, so final dy by dx is minus sec x. Now the next sum, y is equals to log of sec of e raised to x square, okay. In the same way we are writing, write differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to derivative of log is 1 upon x, so we have 1 by sec of e raised to x square, okay, into d by dx of sec e raised to x square, so we have 1 by sec e raised to x square into derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, so we have sec x into tan x, okay, again into d by dx of e raised to x square. Now this will be cancelled out, we get tan e raised to x square into, since derivative of e raised to x is same, so this will come here again e raised to x square into d by dx of x square, Okay, so e raised to x square tan e raised to x square into 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x. So arranging, we get 2x into e raised to x square into tan of e raised to x square. This is the answer. Okay, see the next sum. In this sum, here it is given the values f dash 3 is equals to minus 1, g dash 2 is given 5, and g of 2 is given 3. And function is defined as y is equals to f of g of x. Function of functions is given as composite function. And we have to find dy by dx at x equals to 2. Okay. So first of all, we will find dy by dx. On differentiating this, y with respect to x, we get dy by dx equals to f dash of g of x into g dash of x. Okay, but at x equals to 2, we have dy by dx at x equals to 2 equals to f dash, in place of x we write 2 into g dash of 2. Now we will take the values. Okay, g f dash of g of 2 is given 3, so we write here 3 into g dash 2 is given 5, so we write 5. Okay, and f dash 3 is given minus 1, so in place of f dash 3 we write minus 1 into 5. This is equals to minus 5. So dy by dx at x equals to 2 is minus 5. So the answer is minus 5. Okay.